What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Hope everybody full joy them day yesterday, the festivity, and you know what I mean, hope everybody good and alright. Same way today is the next holiday. Hope everybody are full joy themselves also, and the coming New Year's Eve, hope everybody full joy. So my people, me know say by now you maybe see GX and the youth them in them pyjama, Ray, Rosealee, Hakeem figure it out, and also Diamond, you know what I mean, at their dinner and go on with themselves. But more and point out one thing, and me so said in this, you know what I mean, about Diamond and figure it out when it come to the chain, you see me. Also my people, we have Ivany review, you know what I mean, talk about Rosealee and Hakeem, and you know what I mean, the whole heap of festivity and something, give our opinion on it. You know, so she have to pick out the negative the more tight and talk about it, right? So we have also Sky Diamond expose Shay, my people, Shay babe, Shay what X or something like that, you know what I mean, they on a call with Sky Diamond, and Sky Diamond they on live and expose Shay. We're gonna share that also. I think Shay daughter, sister, grandmother or something like that. That woman that she ever in a vibes with. Yeah. I think Sky Diamond have some things from she for expose also. You know what I mean? And we have Shibada. I talk about GX and the youth them in a them match, in a them pyjama, cause them not really them never did a match. You see me I say we also have Shibada talk about Rosealee and Hakeem them. We have Kiki and the Lion Man link up. You see me I say the Lion Man find a new woman with people, but here we must say it look like he smell a heartbroke. And I talk about it so that when him get it, it no look no way. You see me, look like him figure out say boy maybe the woman have man pan him. You know what I mean? Cause me no feel like say the Lion One tool where him have can manage that the woman there, cause we are everybody on the internet see him in tool, right? So me no feel like him tool can manage it, but him use him tongue. You see me? But at the end of the day, my people then girl, yeah, they maybe like the tongue thing, but they want a man with a tool where, you see me? Yeah. So more when we get in that to talk about it, my people. Also wanna think about Tavi and the female we ever deal with, cause some of the live them when me see it look cringing, it look like a something with force. You see me I say like both parties not really in it. Tavi kinda in it, cause you know what I mean, him look awkward with the woman. I just that like him don't know how to like angle relationship or a girlfriend or what. Me don't know. Him look awkward. The girl to me, she look like say she attacked the Tavi to get back at somebody. I just my observation, can't people, let me tell you see me is a woman a relationship connoisseur. You see me I say somebody can speak on relationship because me have a third eye for them thing that. You see me, I can be wrong still in my people, but when me analyze it, alright, me see one clippings with the female and Tavia brush her ear. You see me, and she I do a little dance, perking and ray. But she dey on fear life, you know, my people, and she a twerk and something, you know, zine. But she a stare in at the damn camera. You understand me? I say she a stare in at the camera. So me I say no man, she a give the camera a look. If you no buck up on that on a pre, she a give the camera a look, and she under her liquor too, you know. And the look where she a give camera, like she a say, yes, me did I go, like she a say, you know, like this is revenge, or you know what I mean, or that look there in her eye, it a say something, but me can't really explain to Uno, because Uno not gonna maybe understand, you know what I mean. But tell me who see it in the comment section. Tell me what Uno think about it, because me know say I know me alone see it say she really maybe just there with Tavi because TikTok clout, or she want to get back at somebody. You know what I mean? I can be wrong, you know, my people. But as me say, I'm a relationship connoisseur. You see, me can pre certain things and rare, but I'm not always correct. But let me know what I think with people. Enough of this. Make we get in the video.
I'll brush it here.
Yeah.
Alright, Rapunzel.
Yeah.
Okay, Rapunzel. Are we going away?
Alright, my people, so at the video this, you see me, I say, me go search and find it for sure, you know, what me I talk about. You see me, I say, I want to just go and watch it, and when she had twerk, whatever, them have a little emoji over it twerking, because I guess her bumper that big, them no, me don't know. You see, because I don't think that I go violate none. You see, but guess what? Yeah, look on this when she a look. Yeah, just look on her looking at the camera, my people, and tell me about that look there. That look there have something about it that's not just a look. That's a, you'd say, that's a statement or something. You see me? So people, let me know what you think.
Chat, I feel like I'm falling in love too quick, and my heart is very weak. I don't like to fall in love too quickly, chat. I like to have up my guard. I feel like this bumbo clot. You know, say my heart go get broke. Because what day me pray to God, me tell God, say God, I want to fall in love, and then someone break my heart to feel how it feel again. Scott, I wonder if me heart go get why? Me don't know, you know. Why me don't know, you know? Me don't know that. Me don't know, darling. Why? Yes, creamy, yes. Creamy, special in the morning. Pussy, you see me a drink special, boy. I don't know you me a drink. You see, it is a man me a chat power top. Creamy body. What's up, creamy body? What's up, son? So what she do now? Now worry about that pussy. Suck your mother, boy. You're a woman. Suck out your mother, boy. I'm good. Are you happy holidays? Are you single, darling? I'm asking for a friend. Kappa, suck your mother. Bumbo clot! Chat, that girl that does give me everything one more. Yes, I am. So where are you from? Good morning, Miss Scott. Scott, you want old man? Creamy! Where are you from? Your love sweet. Suck your mama. Special! You get paid? Okay, so how long have you been single for, darling? How long have you been single for? Me know say by choice, darling, because me too, you know, darling. Creamy body. Why you name yourself creamy body? Why you name yourself? Why you never name yourself creamy tongue like me? Me no want hear about no woman when name blood clot Ashley, you know. Any woman when name Ashley, me around far from her.
That's why I come home. I'm not tired because more come home. More come here. Dog, boy, I'm not tell a lie. No family well one left Jamaica, you know. Jamaica fun day. Jamaica, no food no better than Jamaica. Me can't wait for go eat piece of KFC. Was on Jamaican food. A Jamaica fun day and a Jamaica food day. If you travel, maybe you just travel for your business or them things, but if you just realize when you that's why We're interested to travel again, like we just I waste some money. Me I travel again after business. I must business me I do about a Jamaica vibes there and the fun there. And them place are boring, no little vibes, nothing. You just want to sleep. Then food salt, you can't get a proper food. But we cause me time no come yet. Yeah, Jamaica all like fun there. DR until I get a visa everything in a different country. Me I come back a there. When you have your fame, I send a request and I want to accept it, but when me have my fame, I send my request, I accept it.
Ouch, but me ever have fame.
Yeah, I know such last night at the live with your queen, I send a request I could accept it. But if I'm me would accept it.
No man, I'm tell you what go on. Tell you what go on, Kiki. If you stop bad man, you know.
We good man.
So where are praying for?
Alright my people, so the video before this with the lion man attack, I said boy him feel like him a go get heartbroken or whatever. Me can look on the relationship and she say yo, the relationship you know it's nothing. You see me I say like it's a nothing relationship, which way the lion man like the girl because how she look. The girl maybe like the lion man because him popular or him have money. See, them link up you know, them do them thing in the bedroom. It no like no sparks no fly because you see once you go in the bedroom with a woman and the sex no really like a certain way. No attachment now but did they no look where they call you know. No, the interest now got that to me don't know how we kind of explain it, my people, but yeah, me see the two of them and them attack and them a go on with themselves, but the sparks is not there. And I feel like say him see it, you know what I mean, cause you gonna know, you know, say the girl are really into you like that. She into some aspect of you, which is maybe the fame and the money, but she get better sex, so she now gonna really want to settle for that. Cause girl give your attitude, you know, my people, when the thing not right, you know. You see me I say, and him kind of see it. When a woman into you, you gonna know. Me see the two of them on the couch where they are. I think I yesterday, and him lean back and she sit up like, and me see a little thing there where me I say, this, Anna eat this. And me tell them people here, the lion man still is a youth where him take clothes from anywhere him can get it, you know. You see me I say, so this is maybe just a little clothes where him a go on with, and him a go take away himself and find a next little thing to go on with, because him change up things and keep the people them interested right through. But me not think say him should have come on the media with this a little something here. Cause you have to wait till it sparks did it and you feel it and then you carry it on the media. You see me I say, not in at the beginning stage where you don't even knock boots yet and you carry him on the internet. Then after on the knock you know, you see some boy, you know say, no sir. You know what I mean? But let me know what I think, my people. Let me know what I think. I can watch some more with him and Kiki.
Yeah, I say good. You alright?
So which fame that have? What? Yeah, where the fuck you call up my name final comment?
So me not see your bestie go on with herself last night. Why you not talk about that?
Who that?
She the skin out pussy on internet last night and a drawers and him sitting there.
How wrong with that?
Oh, but if I know that tear me down and go like me errors. Realize you wanna play a mind game, me now have no favorite over here, you know.
Who outside? We don't see nobody outside.
And if a Vani, you know that class, Vani and tear down Vani.
I want you. Kiki, I want you.
That's why I say any pussy come cross dead. Anything nobody have to say.
Peter gave me text her. Me say you get 8K. So what wrong if she skin out parlor? Bro, we not give a fuck boy you Kiki. If you want skin out a pussy parlor, we not give a fuck.
Yeah, the amount of things where you that sit down by your live and chat about me and say dirty girl, she not no ambition. You that class me.
You ever want to insert a thing in a, you ever want to insert yourself in a things, Kiki? Kiki, this is not
me know what you see. You have your favorite them.
But Kiki, listen to me. And I like say every day she come by us and skin out all.
A good man.
So where I say she up on the live and skin out all. You have a problem with that?
So I cannot talk about it. If I nobody
me enjoy it.
Oh, but if I nobody else said they pan in case and I tear them down.
Like
Anybody, if Vany, me, anybody else, you that they tear them down.
Me never tear down Vany when she do her thing pan alive and her skin out.
Yeah, you that they tear down and
me can't tear down nobody when me skin out too. What you tell me, sir?
You're not funny. You try to make it funny.
Bro, but me skin out, bro. So what the fuck would that bring down that far? Nah, bring them out, bro. So me skin out, bro. What wrong with nothing wrong with that?
You do matching pajama the year I do.
You don't do it too?
You look like you're in love last night. They sip champagne and I sing.
Me see your post and neck, foot, toe, head back. What that mixed part relationship?
Me see tickers. You can't set up yourself for embarrassment.
Oh. So Kiki, what you think about her?
She look nice. She look feminine and nice, but I mean,
Talk your truth, man. Me not feel that way.
Just be careful.
Why you say that?
I see look original. Just be careful.
You see look original?
I mean, not have much to say. Just be careful. That's all. In life, Jayden, everything what you do, just be careful in everything what you do. I not have nothing else to say. Just be careful and watch out your eye them. That's all.
What do you mean it's original? What do you mean by that?
Me not go down in the details, just be careful.
I go down in the Kiki, me and your friend.
No, because me remember...
Kiki, me and you are friends. You see it. And I'm looking for real love. And I want you to talk to me.
but when me talk, we go say my bad mind.
No, we not say a bad mind. We not say a bad mind, darling. I'm not officer that.
The only thing I can say, Jayden, just be careful and protect what is yours. That's all I can say. What
do you mean protect what is mine? What do you mean by that?
Oh, Jesus, no. You know, so you can never see yourself. You know, so you never see yourself in a real life, Jayden. You always see your reflection in our mirror.
So who is this or no?
Oh, me just I try to tell her, so you can never see on the inside, and more likely somebody on the outside can see on the inside and tell you. A king protect the throne. That's all me have to say. If you say you're king Jayden, just protect the throne. That's all. If me just leave it calm, who go say my bad mind? I'm not bad mind. He asked me a question. You see, they always say I chat too much, you know, but one of my words them never come to pass, you know. Me used to dep on live and talk about certain things, and Jayden used to say me chat too much, me this and me that, till me see Jayden come on live, come say me hallucinate and them things. Ask Jayden at one time, them things them used to chat and he say me chat too much. Jealous over what me know say that you know the go say everything, you know say plus people bad mind. You get what I'm gonna say? If him should not
People, so to see it, I know me alone see it say, yo, the girl is not for him. You see me, I say, better him stay with them local kind of girl where, cause them a girl are nice and look good. You see it, and every man I go look it we see it. You see me, almost every man. You see me, and she I go have a nigga where she I go love, because she definitely don't love this nigga. You see me, big woman thing, and there's nothing he can do for she love him. You see me I say? So you see where Kiki I tell him like, yo, protect what is yours, which is protect your energy, protect your space, protect your brand, your popularity. Because enough people see it and want to be a part of it, and them want to use it to establish their self. Them no want you know. Them want the clout. So that Kiki I tell him basically in a little neat way. You see me I say? So make you watch some more, my people.
same time from just
Now hear
so and woman forget things after
Kiki, so again, never hear.
let me exit and you come back.
Ah, baby.
I'm gonna say again. Me just say just be careful.
Why am I be careful?
Because a king protect what is his.
Yeah, hide man, I get advice.
No, sir. No, I'm one there. No man not there. I would me tell you say man left my gun.
So what so what you mean by be careful? What you mean protect? You have to talk to me like Kiki.
Jayden, you feel like you just be careful in everything. See, I'm like when I go on vacation, you tell myself to be careful. Just be careful, treat her good and be careful. And treat the one year better and just be careful too. You can happy for him, but be careful. Just said you. Me no want Jayden. Jealous over what Jayden no want me, and me no want Jayden. Jayden I know me type. Even if Jayden have money for now till a morning and he have much car and every world know him. If me there run down Jayden, me that behind Jayden, but a long time and send him a location. So the fuck you all saying Jayden maga. Me not like my man them too maga. Maybe if Jayden did have more body, me give me pussy long time.
I never saw that talk what you said, but alright.
The fuck?
I never saw that talk what you said, but alright, darling.
It's alright. So blood clot must I like my niggas still like Jabas with a little bang belly. Yeah, I'm like Jayden, me like them old too. When they young, too much work. I like them 40 and up. I like them with little grey hair and then cocky. And little grey hair in them beard and they, you know.
So what's then she? Who else? Who else I go jealous over now?
Who jealous? Who jealous?
Yeah, smile though.
I'm not jealous, thanks everybody. I'm not jealous, Jayden.
Yeah, smile, so.
Cause I just life sometimes.
Kiki, you know, you're a very beautiful girl.
Thanks, but what? I just bad mind.
No, but no, man. You're a nice girl, man. You see it? She let me do with you. Hold on. Don't go away.
I know, me. It's like I feel emotional. Like my life just changed. Like literally, my life changed. I don't even know how I think about life right now. It just changed. Like my entire way of thinking about life, it just changed.
Your life changed?
Yeah, I mean, like coming 2026, like it's a whole different girl. Like we're just different.
Like Kiki, I just hope you save your money and do the right thing, is it?
New year, I just want to work hard, make some money and achieve some new goals in a life. You can't love fuck more than nobody else, you know. You get up every day, they fuck what fuck you.
True.
You get what I say. Me not like literally guys, I tell them say, me not really yeah.
Calm down, man. You talk vent, every day you come and vent.
No, I no vent, me talk.
One thing we don't do in a Kiki, your teeth, you see your teeth? Always white. You look like a car, Brad.
My mom never think you if you do series with Jayden. Jayden have human lock up in a room, you know.
Kiki, you know, so honestly, nobody not there.
Sorry girl, them. I saw her on live last night. I sing Billie Eilish.
Yeah, she gone up today.
I'm come down now, go for Jake's New Year's and birthday.
You never work out.
You can't trick me, that not have nothing to do with me.
No, bro. I'll tell you.
You're not have to tell me that, tell a bestie. Whatever.
The man come now.
Hello? Yeah, Marty. Give me a minute to call you up, please. No, I'm in a song song.
That
Yeah.
Some say outfit I wear it today.
I'm just there. I go through a rough phase.
Why? Why you go through a rough phase? What happened?
I just feel drained out.
And stop fuck then, no?
I'm not fucking I'm saying one day.
Boy, Kiki. So you not come back?
Yeah, I'm so come me yard.
So, me not see in a real life. Me never see in a real life, like.
Because my illusion and my AI, me not real. Your brain just tell us something on the screen there, but me not really there.
You look nice, though, me not lie.
The man left for me tell me that from when.
Feel like me da bring Kiki, me feel like me da bring you out.
To the car mat.
Even that.
Go buy my son block and cement.
Even that.
That not sound bad because I got no restaurant.
Yeah, of course. So much block you don't want to buy, so?
Anything I can start me off with, mother take it just pay for.
So, how want me get after?
We decide how much I spend, how my body emotions react.
I would 39 that. I don't know that. Am I in 39 that?
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. I can watch some more and then move on to the next.
Lord God, Kiki. What are you?
You buy plane ticket why I can't get 2 black.
Me buy plane ticket.
I think no boy just come fuck me out for nothing at all. Me get enough free fuck already, you know.
Kiki, why you feel like me not buy no plane ticket?
Me not, you buy plane ticket a woman did and me if you just, no. Money I make my pussy with the year. If me sad by my mood, if me tell say me sad, say bybz 100,000, I get happy. If you invite me somewhere, me tell say me in a mood, give me some money. 2026 of money. I don't hear nothing. If man like you, then give you money. If they not like you, then I want bag of chattings.
So where say me I want bag of chatting?
Yeah, if you like you have your money, if you like me, just push out.
You never like the GX them energy.
Well, some people have to wise up in a life. Cause Kiki this, me now go to the was cause me because me gone on vacation, tell the people them things feel like you play a mind game for they no give me no gift. I know you have a whole blood clot woman pan live and expect say me supposed to be the same.
Alright, listen up Kiki, are the same thing for me too, you know. Let me tell you, Kiki, you have some woman over here we like me for real, like in a real life, we like me for real, and then we see with that woman, you see it, and because of them,
nothing now go change, just still I go get a gift them. Me not see think wise, say how much gift yesterday for black or one of your gift.
Me a talk about like woman,
nothing now change. You don't set a foundation pan Iraq.
Kiki, listen me out, and listen me good. I am going to send you a lion, right? Alright, play match.
Let me see. Guys, on the top of the screen, please.
So Kiki, you watch my pocket. Kiki, you watch my pocket, Kiki.
Triple chat. Use it triple, let me see. Use it triple, guys.
Use it triple, let me see something.
Triple, guys. Use it triple.
Let me see something.
Let me see something.
Let me see something. Chat, take one. Zoom on, man. Yo,
guys, one galaxy, please.
Big thinking, so could zoom. I did ask you one batty, man. Don't worry yourself, pussy. Don't worry yourself. Me, we take it up. No, Kiki. Me feel like, boy, Kiki, you know, say, you just get ambition later. Just that wrong with you. I just that wrong with you, Kiki. You just get ambition later. See it? When I don't revolt on them thing,
You're in deal with me?
No. Alright. I'm sorry, darling. Yeah.
No, sorry, no, in the one of
Kiki, my man, so me and your friend is it. I will carry on any joke, is it? Me not take no joke personal like that, is it? So, as a master, Kiki, so anything I want to chat about, me chat about it right now. Tell me,
a good one. Nah, this is teacher. Never master.
Kiki, that not right. Kiki, that not right. Me can run joke with you and you can run joke with me. That not right at all, darling.
Yeah, but a level street, remember say you're a master and you feel no outshine the master. Everybody send a rose.
True, come with bad mind, yeah.
Me know. Come on, guys. 24 rose. Guys, wanna send me some rose now, please? Everybody with a rose. Guys, wanna send me some rose, please? Why? I think with 24 rose, me can't get.
So she turned all of that for me now, lion. You get me, I say? So when she take one video for TikTok now, one next 1,000 people are negative, bro, me I tell you what go on, bro. Me I tell you what go on, me not have to explain nothing to you, lion. Me could have run as I explain to me chat, you know. Me just show you as my dog, you know. You see me? So if you meet as first, you're down the line, you can know how to deal with them, you know, bro. Me I try for 2 years, lion. Lion, things when me go through, you see, watch you know, things when me go through with, you see things when me go through with man. Listen up, bro. You see things when me go through with man, me can't talk to you on the media about it. Me can talk to you offline. And if me tell you, you look for me, y'all block me. You block me because you wonder what kind of idiot me be. Fully am. Believe me, dog.
But question though, do you still want to be like intimate in our relationship?
No, you're mad, you're crazy. You done. When you don't lie, go jump over edge. Fuck your heart. You done for that. At 2020, bro, lion, I'm 4 days to my earth strong, bro. 4 days. 4 days to my earth strong, bro. I get disrespect for a year start. On January 1st, till now, me I get disrespect.
But do you genuinely want to stop?
Yes! It will help she and help me too. Believe me.
Meaning that if certain things will change.
No, me no want nothing change. Me say me done. You know, hear me? D-O-N-E, done. Me say done, bro. Charge it. But walk with them 8, bro. Liar. But walk with them 300 pound hog in a pen. We value 1.8 million. Listen to me, my dog. Walk with them 80 hog in a pen with shop full of goods. When me buy streaming room, when me spend 350,000 pounds. Listen to me, my dog. Streaming room, when me spend 350,000 pounds. Me the first man in Jamaica to build a streaming room. Me, where you see us, the first man in a Jamaica to build a streaming room. No boy in Jamaica never build a streaming room until me start build a streaming room. You hear that, my friend? The cloud thing, them what you see in a roof with the light, them, I introduced that to Jamaica. Me a stream for 2020, dog. Listen to me, good dog. You hear my friend? Me a stream for 2020, bro. Before gifting batch, before ranking, yeah, bro. Before ranking, me dey on TikTok.
I hear this.
Yeah, that, bro, yeah. You get me? When you listen me out, bro. Me have hug like fuck green up in a walk left that. How long can I bear the same pressure from each woman when I show my respect to? Bro, when I grow my last baby mother, see that I aim me a popsicle that I want before she. Woman have 7 egg in her pen. And I borrow 250,000 and turn that 7 egg then 100.
People, who would think are the problem in a relationship then? Who? Tell me in the comment section. More know what you think. Make you watch some more.
Party dog in a 1 year and 6 month dog. Me a powerful youth dog. Me a tell you, me give some wrong woman me energy dog. And me walk left that my friend. What me there say do? I fi try see me little boy go certain age group. You see me? Him reach 1 year now, him a show about teeth, him a walk, you know, him a talk, you know, me done.
Again, Redance, again. You can't talk about things and listen up. You can't talk about the things that we do for the woman them.
Ladies, bro, me can't do it over and over and over, bro. Me rather start from scratch to my me start from scratch now, bro. Me can't do it for fucking 2 years solid, man. Make you good every day. Charging me no buy clothes. Me no buy shoes. But they know me long time. Me don't give a fuck about that. Cause me mother and me bumbuckler people I'm foreign buy me clothes and say. See? So me no value clothes, shoes, vanity, bro. You know what me care about chat? For when bills pay a month. Light bill. Water bill, rent bill. Make sure me say me use them every bumbuckler thing to the max. Me talk about me use around the pampers, wipes, them thing them. So me ease back for a little bit and me nah do no streaming. Cause me realize that Katia take advantage of me, bro. So me nah do no streaming cause her mother company internet say me a spend her data money when she don't know say her data now work. She not put in no energy on TikTok. And me take that disrespect around here and push through. And people rate me for that and support me. Me have some bad gifters who come around here with no badge. And when them all left all 25 badge in bumbuckler there. And no for no witness that for myself. I don't feel like me take the money out of that. Me say when we wake up a morning, me say mama where you want? For your Mother's Day, our first Mother's Day, me take up 150,000 give the catty, bro. When me a save all long dog. 150 grand, bro. She do her hair for 75,000. You know what the catty do next morning? Use her scissors and run through it, bumbuckler. She use her bumbuckler scissors and run through the hair. You one here. Listen to me, man. A human here, me buy for your blood clot. For your brain. Do credentials to get your
They hear they come from. They hear they come.
You hear that, my dog? When me sit down and beg on TikTok, 75 blood clot thousand.
Listen up, just want to say one thing. It's one thing once. We cannot talk. As man, brother, we have to know. We cannot talk about what we do for the woman, them, brother. And so cannot talk, brother.
Oh, they want to chat about what they do for the way.
Brother, we don't care. We cannot talk about what we do for the woman, brother. Listen, my bro, man.
My youth, watch out now. It come like you come over here for bumbuckler, point out my wrongs them. You know, yeah, chat.
No.
Yo, cocky, lion. Go reason about me for your life. Go reason about me for your life. Me no vex with you. Love your love alone, bro. Me rate you up. Go reason me for your life. Reason about me for your life. Get that. You get me, I say? Cause watch out, my friend. We are talking about the wrongs with the female did. Me as a man cannot stand firm.
Guess what your problem?
Like a G. Yes, lion, you want to talk with the people and want here to get little support. We know what you're going with. But right now, a serious boy.
I ain't idea about when you talk few. You talk few.
Me talk about when me go through, bro. Me not talk about when him go through.
But when you talk about you, then you over there with a scam down there and say, oh, me do this with the boy.
Me not do lion, me rate you, dog. But me a talk to you as a man to a man, dog. Me not bash her. Me not disrespect her. Me come around here and show you say she a BPD, dog. Borderline personality disorder, bro. There's nothing to worry about, and nothing to go take bumbuckler thing, though. And I know weak mama, and I know weak a bread. Bread. Listen to me. Bread. Nurse. Boy, bush nurse that come. Bread, dog. Mama bread, go way down here, dog. Way down her body down here, dog. Human here, no cap, bro. I swear by my life, your mother's day, me treat her like a queen. You see me? 75K, dog. I swear to God, bro. Me a telling you, bro, human here, bro. Me not know no cap in. If you don't know and believe me, me not follow up that, bro. You see me? I say, human here, dog. But me a try show and say, bro, only thing for help her and me step out. Me have to step. Me can't stand with you every day and take disrespect today and later on you smile at me and laugh with me. I so come me know say something wrong. You see me I say? She will win, bro. She will win when we not there around her. Make sure win when we not there around her. Me no want to win around her, dog. Me win by myself, dog. I just respect and love me a day, bro. It's not about jealous and protective alone, bro. I love me a day, bro. Am I love me a day.
Yeah. Diamond the little hairstyle. Yeah, you see that the witch come out in her, you know. Watch the wicked. I that my brother say, I couldn't say no more. And they have to say is watch the wicked. Cause they see the witch come out in her diamond. Me say make one blow finger. When me see the hairstyle. And then you have figure it out. Then come here, Rosealee. Then why we tell you open him out and some gunman doing face out here. So why you must lock him out when you attack? You can't reason in the mind. Like it, man. Every time you open your mouth in front of that little boy, me don't know what you face, but it's find an opportunity for just frown. Him always have some mouth movement towards some mouth and nose. Like him mouth and nose and chance every time you open your mouth. Me don't like it though. Every single time. Every single time. I don't like it. Fear is fear. You know, so I'm worried about it. I'm worried about it. I get my dog. Then come here now. Come here. I will them there. I want to ask. They don't spend money on the dog. Then come here, man. Because I'm confused. Because I'm one, but I keep come here. What are we can life? So. You see? When I always tell people, I walk and tear down clearance. They don't believe me, you know. Sister, when you want love. Yeah, come here. Me not like come here. What I put up, I don't know, say a team and sheets and something. But I'm here, something we are talking about. Come here. Then come here now. Because on the pop out this is love. On the pop out this, you know. On the pop give and tear things out of a box. Oh, we have one. On the tear things, you know. And then, we don't know how Akeem and tear things and Rosealee and smile. Bird, we don't stop it. Bird, we don't lock your lip. Because me, you know, said there is no gift Akeem can buy when you put your 800,000. Come here now. Eh? Then how you put your 800,000 and buy your bedrooms, eh? Rosealee, you're not tired to advertise things. Always knew. J4B. I mean, like, you know. Come here, James. Come here, them say we take it from the ghetto, we can't get the ghetto out of you. Then what's the way James post picture about matching pajama, the sweet so no go, no go. What's the way James pajama, them people like them take a walk in the park. But not tell no lie. Make sure we get the right pictures. Mr. James pajama, them people like them a go out. Then James come here by, then James not sleep. James no sleep in apparel. Mr. Madam Panchis, Barbara and Chantal stand up together. Me don't think them up at Mandela Park in an Afro-tree they start take picture with the instant camera. You know the one that take your flatbed, we just flash and the sun just pop like up. And you blow up on it and then you that pop up. I say, Jake's pajama them favor like them are going in the park for sure. Yeah, me see my heart break. I get the stuff I got me on that. Mr. Jake's out of order. Mr. Mr. Go them a go. I'm Martin if I say no, a pajama, I look very good. You look very good, come in the pajama. Nobody did make Jake's the memo. Somebody could have buy the pajama for Jake's though. I say I couldn't even see Barbara. Hey, man, I was telling her like this, it is no disrespect. It's like for the pajama, never no good one diamond. You know me not bother cute. Me not bother cute. Then this boogie diamond the corner store of hairstyle. Me said I never say hairstyle fit diamond. Diamond will favor Ansel and Gretel. No, come here. Diamond, I am proud of you. Come here, girlfriend. Diamond, I'm proud of you. What a way you're walking at your age. Me said that granny ear upon your diamond, me not lie. You bash me to run for your money. Diamond, what a ear fit you. Me proud of you, say girl, embrace the ears. So when I see Diamond hairstyle, I want to stop with her and play bingo. I mean, play bingo like Granny Williams, like nursing home. I when the filter drop off for you, mama. No, me say, Diamond, anybody who get a get afraid, they say, no, come in and think you're about to buy that quality for yourself, doing that weird show there for your birthday, but me not think you're going to feel that get it. Then what I mean, they buy only for fandangles and put us in the Christmas tree and come.
work. She come out. Remember, after first tell me this, me come on live and say the girl not work. And the girl say, oh, back. And through my tall, I stop work. So I say, I get my information from facts. And me come out and say girl not work, and then she come tell her about back. So I say, I've been getting information. Alright. No, wrong recording. So she was feeling this. Yeah. I don't know if they know. It's a small community where we are. And people, the Jamaican community start to know. So maybe the words. You understand? Yeah. So you know what I mean? You know what I mean? You're not the queen, you're working as the queen. No. Because this one now, it's a work way. Alright, here you are. It's a work way. When people, me have to leave for work, when them see me. The company big, yeah? It's a massive company, yeah, it's big. 7,000 people work there. So why she not work there then? She get fired? I don't, you know, say we don't know if a fire she get, or stop, she stop, but I will tell her life for that. But she not work there. And she keep the young people there. So when I time, me and the people are run her about to go look job enough. And them ask her how she gonna work. When you get to the call back later, come here and try to get some clothes to my birthday, but tomorrow. You can't contact me one night and tomorrow. Yeah? You know, we don't know what to do them. You can't tell you what to do, man. That man don't shave. You can't send me one line and you know that jet, you know? Yeah. Anyway, and next thing, people may go tell them, like, it's not the main thing. From the same round of them same time, they make you say, the reason why they bake them, the reason why, yeah, me say them the people likes the baby.
Little bit of baby on the fridge door.
And, you know, through the baby and the government thing, so then and then they come and check up on the baby every now and then. You know, you say, me yes, I swear to God, God keep me for life, me I tell. Me yes, when I turn and go up and check, the baby, they put something, right, so they must check what the baby for a glass. Yeah, most of the time, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, wait. And God give me banana, I tell. Me yes, when I turn and go up and check, the baby, they put something, right, so they must check what the baby for a glass. Yeah. Jesus Christ.
Hey, and that's why I make enough people know say it make sense. You come on the internet, come tell no lie, you know, cause people are gonna know say a lie you tell, because the people them will know you, them a come chat. You see me, especially the one them wanna like you. You see me? So me know what I think my people. But no, the other day I see she do TikTok video which she fix up car or something like that. So what I don't know if it's it. Cause you see foreign them pay you for lazy, you know. Yeah man, no foreign country pay you for lazy, man. Them give you money if you don't work. You see me I say? So I know what I think with people. Make watch some more.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Guys, you listen to me say it. You listen to me, I said the things them, guys. Guys, maybe read. When I hear Piggy say it, then when I hear Fresh Within, guys, when I hear two different. Jesus. I want to see your shit, not everybody business. One woman can wicked so. One mother can wicked so. And you know where your baby got you, and you know, did it for your baby, which part your baby there, you know a situation. You snap on like 24 hours in a people business. You don't feel like if you snap at home to the baby 24 hours because of where your baby I got you, or where your baby been fucking true, bro. But you ain't not everybody business, bro.
That's the reason why sometimes I can't even custody or study you down because the people that tell me your whole file, I mean, look, you sick my stomach, bro. That's why I can't even argue with the bitch sometimes, guys, because the people that tell me things and I say, what? Fuck! I'm not gonna hear back some things. I'm not gonna hear him back. Yes,
the reason why the reason why, yeah, me yesterday, them the people asked the baby. And, through the baby and the government thing, so then give, and then they come and I check up on the baby every now and then. You know, so me yes, I swear to God, God kill me for lying, me I tell. Me yes, when I turn and go up and check, the baby, they put something red, so they want to take back the baby from black.
My sister text me, Sky don't play no more. Sky don't play no more. Why sister, y'all? Why we don't play no more? Make you all media no hear our business and know her who she be. No, I haven't met the media know her who she be. I know me and some of the things about the people over there 5 minutes from her. Our own grandmother talk for the picnic and the man what she used to there with. Why we never play no more, sister? She deserve it. She deserve everything what me I give her right now. She make up file for me right through the ear. I'ma take it. And me I come with real files here. Real files. I know me I say it. She don't go and pick she let 5 minutes from the people that wanna me say. Go beat the people and where I say go beat Fresh and the grandmother will reach out to me and I tell me the things them. I don't me use my mouth and I say the things them. And them say the things them and me I repeat the things them. Play the which one? The Peggy one? I'm gonna play Peggy, wait. It now play good? Play it, I'm gonna play over back. It a play now? Guys, it a play good now? You know I hear it? Alright, ready. Man, that's not my don't shave. You're gonna send me one lion in that bed, you know? Alright, listen.
Anyway, another thing quick I'm gonna tell you, because this is the main thing. Me hear from the same round of them same time that me hear say the reason why the reason why, yeah, me hear say them the people ask the baby. And you know through the baby and the government thing, you know, so them give and then they come and I check up on the baby every now and then. You know, so me yes, I swear to God, God kill me for lying, me I tell. Me yes, when I turn and go out and check the baby, they put something red, so they have to take back the baby from blacks.
You hear it? Some people say they're not hearing at the group. Somebody said it clear. Alright, we don't hear Peggy 1, but we play Peggy 1, wait.
I think it's a TikToker. It's a TikToker. Look on what is girl name again? Cute Boss. Come here, Cute Boss. I talk about it too. It's a TikToker. Yeah. And when she a chat, she a run up in her people business. She forgot to talk about her man. We a pedophile. Her baby father. We a pedophile. That she forgot.
The people them multi keep subscription live. Multi keep subscription live. It was an epic fail. Christmas 2025 went to Jake's. Christmas 2025 went to Jake's. And we have to give him that. Christmas 2025 went to Jake's. Yeah, they look like not even mother and son, Michelle. They look like grandmother and son. You know, say grandmother always pajama always have it different because you know grandmother don't want to wear the same thing but the young people them are wear. They look like grandmother and son. Yes. Jakes win with how much picture Jakes take and win them. I'm here wait on today if you can cuss Jakes so me can cuss her. Me say me know she come class Jakes. You hear the girl come out. She can't tell we say she buy the pajama them. I bet you she can't tell we say she buy them. Chat.
One thing me have to say to share my people. You say if them something you always skydive and attack, a truth, you need to fix up yourself. Yeah man, you need to fix up your life. You see it, big man thing. You see me? So let me know what you think my people and make you watch some more. Make you hear what TikTok lawyer have to say. You see it. And GX and the youth them my people. Barbar never see the dog a smile yet in any picture where him taking her. Never. Why him not smile? Him never smile. You see me I say what's about him? But them look alright my people. You know what Jake's glad say? The youth them now go go with Rosealee, go do the matching pyjama. I style GX papa and take picture and put it out, you know. I say, see, you talk about matching pyjama, who, you know what I mean? Who have them in a matching pyjama, although them never matching still, but who have them in a pyjama, Ray. You see me, I say, and GX, him go for the short pants them. People, I first never see her, because, me don't know because me no grew up with the pyjama thing and Ray, but I first may see a short pyjama. Always long pants me always see when it come to pyjamas. You see me? But tell me one thing, me go watch some more.
She go say, and me buy the pyjama then we are take picture in her. I bet she said that. How much people want bet she said that? She go say, and me buy the pyjama them where you take the picture them in her. And we gonna say, oh, with that nasty hog looking self. We don't care you buy, you never make no use side. Chat. Me say, as she may wait for click her live. Cause we know she can say, yes, all you want do a take picture and you don't want mine pick me. The guy tells her, nurse Nazi, new here. After the guy tells her she want bedroom set. She want hood. The girl want hood. She don't want a bedroom set. The girl want hood. Anything where she get yesterday, she look like she didn't want it. How you have to say that when I tell her say she bad mind diamond, I see one screen record when I tell her say she bad mind diamond, and she has said she never in the mood. Bitch, chat, alright, tell me now. Oh, you feel around your so-called Batman and you not in the mood. How you feel around your so-called man where you say this, that, you try to convince me say this, that. Are you not in the mood? They never say, tickers, you go and buy your business, you know, it's a hog rope she want. Artwell no sell hog rope. Artwell sell hog rope. Me never see hog a wear chain yet. A rope, me see them put around hog neck. Rope. Sometimes no matter what you always a combo she want chain. The man, you see the man buy her one Pandora bracelet. He could even buy 2 charm put on it. Mr. the Pandora bracelet. Nurse, why is something named Tourniquet? Mr. the Pandora bracelet look like Tourniquet on her hand. Hi, Mystical. Merry Christmas, honey. Mr. say the Pandora bracelet look like one tourniquet. I say name chat tourniquet pan her hand. You know when you take blood and then put a blue something on your hand? If you pop your vein, make your vein show. I saw the Pandora bracelet look on the girl and like one tourniquet. You see our pyjama look like one blood pressure, like them take our blood pressure. Tapping your iPad. Me say our pyjama look like them take our blood, like one blood pressure cup. Let me say what you get to take our blood pressure, right? Me say. Shall me go chat them a little bit before we go. Me say the girl sit down and her belly go bloop. Hi Tash. Tash me never see you yesterday. Merry Christmas. Me say the girl belly go bloop. Me say she try to turn sideways, so we not see her belly. The belly just not cooperate. I hear the girl. I talk about say the food not cook good. Dirty girl, you can't cook. You cannot cook, so all you have to talk the food not cook good. The girl turn sideways. She turn everywhere if we wanna see how she stay bad. I'll know. Me say the girl. Then chat. Remember, so when she in our house, we don't really see. We just really. We see one passport size her. We don't really see the bottom part when she in our house. And me don't know chat. Why our filter can't come out our house? Chat. Why our filter can never leave our house? So she got move when her housing scheme and our filter can't move out of the house. Me say, why our filter can't come out our house with her? Me say no matter where the girl goes, she can never carry her filter. Me say, happy holidays, Nana. The girl filter can never come out our house. Yeah. Over there complain about food not cook good, but you still have stuff in your big throat. Yeah. But food not cook good. Bitch, you know when something to cook good? Chat. It was an epic fail. Mr. Then try to break the internet and all they do, I look uncomfortable. None of them no look happy. None of them no look happy. Your first Christmas tree you have in your life is in our Airbnb with a bunch of people who don't like you. You know what? You never said something say yet? Your first Christmas tree where you have in your life is in our Airbnb with a bunch of people who don't like you. Yes. Then chat me yesterday I get mad and turn on.
People, let me tell you something. You see in a life, you see what you have to strive for in a life, happiness. You see me I say, and make sure your mental health nice and alright. You see it, because you all go on my people. Enough people like you that say sell them soul, you know, for whatever reason, you know what I mean, money, woman, man, or whatever, but mostly a money, you know, say people sell their soul for. Seeing and them torment, you see me, whatever them sell them soul for, them no full joy because them torment, and what them do, you know what I mean, sell soul wise, that aren't them. You understand me? I say, so me tell you something, man. You say if you in a life and you know what I mean, certain things you have to do to achieve whatever you want to achieve, sometimes it's best you just leave it alone. You know what I mean? Don't know say that come with whatever decision you make, and you still make the decision hoping that, you know what I mean, that no come with it or you know affect you when you know say that comes with it. You see it, everybody are big people and can make them decision and do whatever them like. But to me, my people, me not gonna lie to you, to me, from Daima, like link up with like them, she rich, you know. Me not tell you no lie, because I think she stopped drive the Honda Fit what she used to drive, and I drive one of the Honda Shuttle them, you know, and them they are the new type of like waganish like Honda will come out. Yeah, upgrade from the stream it look like. You see it. So my people, you know, enough time money comes with a situation, but also the backlash and stuff will come with it. Sometimes it not worth it. You know what I mean? So I have to know what decision you are gonna make as a big person and live with it. You see it, because that the decision that you make, nobody never force you to make it. You see it, because Diamond knows the backlash they are gonna come if she link up with the youth them, because the youth them name people are say them this, them that, rare. All when people now have no like proofs of this, but that are just the stigma, that are just so Jamaica stay. Whenever people put a name on you and more than one person start call you, well, might as well you do it. You see me, because it now go stop. You know what I mean? And people now have no time to take no explanation. Say, true, you ever see nobody now go say that, you know, when a person I give them information or tell them the lies them, you know. You did see? Ray. Them now go say, no, I hear me here. Them I go say, yeah man, a real thing man. Me hear me I tell you, Ray. You see me? So if you go link with that, you know, stigma go dep on you too. You see me? So you have to just live with it, as me say. But make me know what think with people. Make me watch some more.
I feel like call the commenter class, sir. What I mean, Diamond, when I have to get house from a Kingston, yeah, a Jakes win yesterday. Your first Christmas tree in a life in our Airbnb and your children was never involved. Yeah, your children not involved. Oh, chat. Oh, you. Me can't believe the girl never buy one Christmas tree girl pitney them yet. Me can't believe when the girl really admits that our kids them never eat around one table and they never have one Christmas tree. That painful. So why she couldn't buy one Christmas tree give the woman? We are keep our pitney them. That was so painful to hear. All these days on TikTok, you never buy one Christmas tree, put it in your house. And buy picture of Maggie picking them. That was so painful to hear. Chat, she buy everything expensive for the man and she would never take care of herself. She not spend on herself, you know. All she still spend on man and man get her picture frame. Me say, chat about that seal a picture frame the back in the Akim body hole, you see. If I didn't make a king get a picture frame, they are seal it right back in the body hole. Where you go with that? Where you go with that? Sugar mama, where am I go with that? Right up in body hole, it go right back. Where you go with that? And the charger, and the plug in the charger in the body hole, you see? Right in the body hole, the charger go to. Where you go with that? Chicha tell case every block my mother. Chat anybody see K, tell her block my mother. Where you go with that? And I can't show. You can't show bedroom set per phone. So when something said delivery, why could you show with the delivery note? Why could you show with say he purchase and it go deliver XYZ? You can't show it per phone. The girl can't fit on a bed there. You see the bed there on the floor. Because the bed there on the floor. Rose can't go on them the bed there. Rose cannot go on Amazon bed. Rose need a divan. Rose chat. Rose cannot fit on the bed them when they make a foreign the assemble bed. She cannot fit on the bed that broke down. I better say bread broke down before she even Yo, tell Case to block my mother, yeah, man. Cause right now me drink some coffee and me feel nice. Somebody go call K. Linus call K. Tell her to block my mother. Me tell the girl, the bed dey on the ground. And then there's a laugh and I force the laugh. Chat like, why laugh so? You afraid he shit up himself? That's why I laugh so? Every time him a laugh, like him a laugh and a clenching body jaw them together. Like me I say sometimes I laugh, me I say, where my laugh about? Where my laugh about? Chat, you didn't hear when Rose say, every time you scratch your skin like you have fungus. You hear he say, but let me tell you where you love scratch. Chat, hear the man. But let me tell you, say, we tell you where you love scratch. We say, so hear me, I try to figure out how she love scratch. Hear me, Rose can't scratch her pum pum, cause number one, she can't find if it's scratchy. So whenever Akim Batty will Rose always a scratch. Chat, Rose can't scratch her pum pum because she can't find if it's scratchy. So where I always scratch her must be in Batty hole. That nice about nose. I don't know if I'm about nose. People that scratch their nose, people dig nose. Chana, oh my God, Chana, we're not easy though. We say we're not easy at all. She have sore in her nose. A worm she have. You know, see, Batman that have sex or give her a worm she have, but she have a sore in her nose. A worm she have. No, a worm. Batman sex them give them worm. But she have a sore in her nose. A worm, the girl have worm. When people have worm, they scratch their nose. Yeah. Ellie. A worm she have. Shall we say, when he said that, hi Ellie, chat. So when he said that, what else did he say, chat? Chat, nobody not get no good screen recording like I know 20-minute one. Kimmy, go look if we don't have no long screen recording, make we listen. Mr. Chat, she looks so uncomfortable. No, Rose have worm. Fun and joke aside, you know, Diamond, if you go do some thyroid test. Fun and joke aside, Diamond girl, if you go test your thyroid, you look terrible, you just get worse by the day. That may look like you have Graves' disease. Fun and joke aside, you need to go test your thyroid, honey. Thanks, Tash. Can we go look if you find a good screen recording, make we watch. Then chat, ask nurse K there. That look like she have thyroid disease, like she about if you have Graves' disease. She need to go test her thyroid, and the only way she gonna know unless she do a thyroid function test. Yeah. It might sound, yeah. Then T3 and our T4 levels, she need to go check them. Girl, that we give bad heart palpitation. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, that we give bad heart palpitation. Girl, they put it, make it get all stroke. So you stay there. That we give all stroke. You stay there. But anyway, chat. When our business about health, we come with chat people business. Chat, we're taking a collagen from morning. Chat, we need to go in the new year and be healthy though. We can't over here. I chat people business that we're unhealthy. So ladies, you need to go taking a collagen. Make sure you're not taking no vitamins. Anyway, we would have talk about chat. Somebody gonna go find the screen recording, make we watch it before it snow starts. We drink some coffee. Anybody CK? But make sure so when you take a collagen, you take it with vitamin C. It not gonna work. Just like iron, chat, when you take
alright, my people, me don't know what I go on with Diamond still, you know. Me not tell you no lie, you know. But something I go on with Diamond. You see me I say? Me don't know what really I go on with her, but something I go on with her, my people. And you see me, she need for us, if she need to take a break or so, she need to take some time off from TikTok and even 1 week. You see me I say, and go find herself. You see me, left the TikTok environment, even if you take a trip overseas and go link up with some long time friends but do something, because she no look like the diamond. You know what I mean? She look like say she make it whatever the people them say the stigma bother her. You know what I mean? She are reading to it too much, and it's like she fall in love with the G and she can't left. She want left, but she can't left because she fall in love with him. You see me I say, and the backlash she get, she can't take it. You know what I mean? So she needs to just boom, take a trip, find an old time friend or whatever overseas, and just go live for maybe 1 week, lock off her phone and just, you know what I mean, whatever her mind tell her after that week there, so then she do whatever. You know what I mean? What she need a week. Alright. I think me telling you earlier and say me see something with Diamond and figure it out when he must show the chain. You see me I say so it look to me, my people, me not go tell you no lie, because remember, you know, this are the internet, you know, TikTok, you know, whole heap of story them sell, you know, and this is not that are the truth, this or whatever. This are just what me observe, and I just my opinion, me speculating on something, you see me. But here I go on. Me feel like say the chain, Diamond never buy it. Diamond never buy the chain. You see me I say, because he figure it out reaction when him open the something with the chain, and you know what I mean, he must say thank you very. Diamond smile. Me don't know if I Diamond Bex with him from earlier on, or it's just the lies she can't bother with, you know what I mean? Like she can't pretend no more certain way. So it look like say him by the chain and him just say, yo, me could just ray. Because remember this a TikTok in a pretend, and nothing wrong with that, my people. Them just a put on a show. You see me I say, this is just reality. Upfront and personal live reality TV, up close and personal live, right? Alright, so the watch, you know, when it come to Akeem watch, when me feel like say Akeem buy the watch, the Rosealee never buy the watch, they give Akeem. See, look you know my people. I think Akeem have the video pan film thing, pan film TikTok, where you can go look, but Akeem got art well. You see me I say, and me I tell you say, you see the same chain like we figure it out of Akeem buy one of them chain there for himself and put in a picture in it. That's why we feel like say Diamond never buy that chain there with a pendant there. Feel like the two of them buy. No, the watch you know my people, the G-Shock watch you know. I think Akeem have the same video but film TikTok where art will show him the watch or something in that sort there. You know what I mean? And me not think Rosealee are gonna take up so much money and buy one bling out ice out watch. Although you never tell. But this is just my observation, the people, my opinion. This is not the truth. You know what I mean? This is just me fasting at the people in business and I say what me think. So let me know what you think.
Iron, make sure you take it with vitamin C. You have to take it with vitamin C, help your body absorb it. Anyway, chat, what me say? Chat, K still a home gift? So how much gift she want get? Me her, she said she get everything on her list. Then that's a fair listed long? Okay, girl, you are going with life. Me here, she say her list, me say she get everything on her list. Chat, I got everything on my list. Guess what? Me never have a list. But chat, me tell you now, me soon tell you collagen. Me shouldn't show you no collagen. Chat, me tell you say, me never buy my husband nothing, but he buy me something. So, you know you have to make it up other ways. You have to make it up other ways. And he was happy. That's all. What a person there say again, like me know that person there. Me know you? Why you say again? No. Anyway, I could get back to it. Chat. Kimmy, you find it, Kimmy? Me don't do that, K. What's wrong with you? Me a Jamaica, me don't do that. Me born in the 80s, girlie. Me do them thing there. No only short clippings. Alright, chat, me could listen. Not even me the highlights, Nageti. Nobody wanted to subscribe. Go over YouTube, Kimmy, and see if you see anything. Go over YouTube. And see. Go over YouTube, over microwave TV or one of them, and see if them put up nobody and come back. But anyway, chat, make we continue. Chat, she never like none of her gift them when she get. She never like none of her gift them. Mommy wouldn't like them neither. Christmas, chat, alright. Christmas, who want one bedroom set for Christmas? Christmas, you want something where you can walk with. Right or wrong, chat? Like you don't get a Christmas gift. It's something where you can actually move and walk with, right? Chat, I would never want somebody buy me one bedroom set because them, unless I'm me, I pick it out. They're not gonna know what me like. They need a bedroom set or something where you're supposed to pick out for yourself. Otherwise, I don't know what name. Because that's how I tell you, that boy don't like that girl, you know. Why you not go buy a bedroom set and buy that for Rose? No, stop begging me. You cannot buy a bedroom set and buy Amazon bedroom set for Rose. Rose need one of them bedroom set there. Alright, chat. We are saying buy. We are saying buy. We know you don't buy shit. Rose want one of them bedroom set there where the furniture man at Jamaica make. You know them bedroom set there where the furniture man at Jamaica make. Rose cannot sleep on Amazon bedroom set. And it's just the truth. Amazon bedroom set no make for whole 600 pound girl. No, like, you know, hi Millie, chat, be honest with me. Amazon bedroom set don't make for whole 600 pound girl. No, she want one of the bedroom set where you know the furniture man at Jamaica, where you give me money for make one bedroom set for you, and you have to go there with one shotgun, go sit down and wait till he make it. Because he will take your money and make it. You have to go there with one shotgun, go sit down and wait. And make it right in front of you. Yes! I want them bedroom set that she want. Amazon bedroom set look pretty and that's it. At least furniture in America on a whole look pretty. That's all them do. They don't have no function at all. No 600 pound girl can lie down on that the bedroom set there. No. Remember that Rose sleep with her clothes them, you know? Remember say her Rose and her clothes them sleep together. How Rose and her clothes them fi hold pan that the bedroom set there. Remember, you know, Rose and her clothes. Remember our bed is our closet, you know. Yes, our clothes and she can't hold pan like the bed there. Rose and Rebel side floor. We are talking about Millie. Yes, that's why she have her bed pan 4 block. Because her bed need to be sturdy. Oh yeah, ask me, don't know. Yes. Yeah, she needs solid wood. We call her wood. We call her wood there. Cedar.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think. Make watch some more and then move on to the next.
Mahogany. That she want. Not the bagasse wood them. In America, the furniture they make with paper and bagasse wood. Yeah, she need chat. You don't know them chat. You don't know them like a Jamaica when people go make them bed bottom. She want one of them bed bottom there. Yes, the one them we make. She can't have no box spring or What you call it? Metal frame. Chat K reach. K girl, come with chat Rose. Come in that box, make with chat Rose. Yes, she can't have no. She can't have chat. Remember saying no. Rose used to cuss Valley about her Amazon bed, and Rose have Amazon bed. Everything when she cuss the girl them about her that she cuss girl say they hold shit up, and she over there beg for her hold shit up. Then she cuss girl say they make Amazon wish list. She cuss Jayden about Amazon wish list. She over there have Amazon wish list. She cuss. What else she cuss about? She cuss to the girl ever buy cocky and get no draw. She a buy cocky and get no draw, but fear cocky shit up. Fear cocky shit up. What else she cuss the girl them about? Chat, what else she cuss the girl them about? And she do the same thing. Chat, me tell you, Rose always spend money on Akeem. Gift them and Akeem never spend money. You buy the girl one Pandora bracelet and you turn in a one tourniquet. All know the girl can get 2 charm panny. Why you never buy 2 charm with her pitney them name? Why you never buy 2 charm a Pandora with one? When you pitney them name, chat? Chat, when you pitney them name again? One B and one S. Why you never buy 1 charm? Put 2 charm on the Pandora bracelet. Pandora bracelet without a charm is a fucking tourniquet. Child, even though a 32-year-old not supposed to be wearing Pandora bracelet. If you're over 30 and you wear Pandora bracelet, you need I see her name start with for real. If you're over 30 and you're wearing a Pandora bracelet, throw it away. Throw it away. But anyway, the hog over there says she have Pandora bracelet. Buy 2 charm, put on the bracelet like one S. No, a C. Let me say a C. Like one C and one B. Like, why the gift them where you buy her, where you give her, if you have something to do with you. Alright, you say you get her one picture frame. Why you never get her one frame with she and her children? Why you never get her one frame with she and her children? Why you have to be in the woman house? Or Andrew name, yeah, Andrew, sorry, Andrew baby name. Yes, why you never get a frame with she and her children, or with her children them? With like Chama we talk, you know, we have to be realistic. Why the frame? Why the picture have to involve you, Batty boy? Why the picture have to involve you? Why you never pay the first month rent? Why you never pay the rent for a year? Why you never pay the month for the rent for a whole year? Chat. Remember I said when Jayden move a 9-month rent in pay one time, you know. If you did want to do something great, why you never pay the rent for 1 year?
And this morning me I talk about it. You see, this morning a man call me and say, Kiki, what go on? And I say, me feel sad and me just look down. Just give me $500,000 or give me $1 million and buy my mood. If you invite me somewhere, me tell us, it's like me I'm making my whole life revolve around money, like everything.
But yet still man fly out for $8,000.
That's a jump start.
You can't get no girl no advice out of
nothing wrong. A jump start in a life. $8,000 check. If me fuck can get $8,000 check, how much money that can start one little bit.
Thank you, shot Kenisa. That's so why you have a problem with me yourself for me online then when you do the same thing in a real life?
Well, if me want that one come with morals and one not come with morals.
Once you sell pussy,
listen. Barney, hold on. Me have a problem. Everybody live their life. Live your life. Live your life and me live my life. Triple chat. Other day I said this, don't judge. Left all judgment unto God. Me not judge if I get one sell her pussy. Vani sell her pussy.
Kiara, thank you. I don't sell pussy, I sell nudes.
Sell her nudes them. Me not have a problem with people.
You sell pussy, you just fucking get $8,000 out of your home. You're on your next. You're on your next fucking now.
You want to know my business? When people
no, we are Jamaica, we know what time it is. You don't have to tell we know your business.
Not at all.
Kiara, thank you. Oh, we nothing know. Oh, we nothing know.
You wanna know where the 8K they come from?
Who look alike? Me not look nothing like she.
You wanna know where the 8K they come from?
I know your fufu. I post your 8 grand. But I tell you, Jamaica, them back you up.
Who?
You know, say, all if a man see you and try rob you now, God forbid, and you say you not have the money upon you, he might think you have it upon you.
No man can see me Vani. Me not, bro.
What you show you send the money for?
Number one, let me tell you what really happened. Number one, I was lying in the bed. The guy showed the envelope on me. Me, you never know when I envelope. If anybody was on the live.
Oh, you never know when a pussy you gonna say.
Me there on the live, and the man showed down the envelope and he give them. Me even didn't realize I me up me and me say wow, and me get excited, right?
Oh, you not to know what in the envelope when you know what you sign up for. Are your pussy pension,
I know my mommy know. I know say go. Me not go tell me full details of everything. But what me I go say number one too. Me not live careless life. And me not people not go see me number one when me live in a residential area. Secondly, when me I go about my business, me not take taxi, me take drive. So anybody want to see me meet me uptown where the corporates there. Yeah, that's why me glad how me start live my life. Me not live where people live or people are go see me and them things they just happen. Anybody want to on the live.
Somebody say take it back.
And the money wasn't mine either.
Ah yeah, bruv, so with people money then that means there's a cap.
Yeah, means a capper.
I fix it, I try to fix it, because you know say somebody will lay with.
The people tell me what they think in the comment section. Me not talk too much. But you see them woman here, every woman like born and grow fi think man a dummy in her, man a idiot in her, man fi just carry everything when they have and come give them, you know. I saw woman think in her life, you know, my people. You hear what Kiki say, she want a man to buy her mood, just give her $500,000 if she looks a type of way. Yo, boy, me no know still, you know, woman, you know. So, what about man? We don't deserve that too? We can't buy a mood. Let me know what they think, my people, because Jaja, if them woman here can get things how they want it, me I tell you say all man would be slave if you just work. Not all still, because you have some woman who love them man, so where them get any or anything, but most woman would have man as slave. You know what I mean? Remember me telling you.
Buzzers later. Carry them out. When them don't eat, mommy, me boring. Mommy, me boring. You don't care. You just took them to take the picture to post for the net. And I know this. So when I hear people that talk, man, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Me not argue with you. I realize you know, me not argue with you. For 2025, me not argue. 2026 coming, me not argue with you no. Shut your mouth. It's when they want to know things. It's when I got talk and a facts they got talk, then we got argue. Me not argue with you. Shut your mouth. You don't know shit. There's no one up here. When it come on to Akeem and Jakes, there's no one up. Jakes and them father, him supposed to interest them HAPPY. No one up, no depend that. No one up, no day. When it come on to the kids, when I fight for who have rights, Akeem is not blood related to them, none at all. Need one, no one up, no day. In the bin tell me say tickers. No buy no phone, cause I say I go buy it. My phone, I pin them 2 phones for Christmas. Him say tickers, no buy no phone for them, I will buy it. Just don't talk. Where is the one up? Jake's no buy no phone, give him them as somebody buy it. Right now, Jake, sorry, him give the little boy the phone, cause I don't have none. You chat too much. And it pisses me off. Because when they don't know, and they just chat. When they don't know, they just chat. She's sad. Jakes are running always. Jakes now running always. Jakes are always the same thing, Vany. Like how owner look for ice in birthday, that's how Jakes are look for the pity them. It is a Jakes that draw 100,000, I spend 100,000 with pound one. Jakes now draw 200,000, I spend 100,000 pound one. I spend another 100,000 pound one for Christmas. I'm not doing it. Just sit down and think. Shut the fuck up. I'm not doing it. I'm not ask guys, I tell you no. I'm not doing it. That man that cater about fuck. I'm not doing it. Like I'm like for sure, make him show you the Christmas clothes and buy if you mute them. Like I'm like sure. Make him show you them. But I like to see them. Anything where you see get a sponsor. All the 2K them are smart by it. I mean, like nah spend. Me just know this man over the years. If I see this man like give one girl one money, he man like a lay fuck. Just a let go and money so easy. If there's a Jakes give one girl one money, man like a lay something. Jakes not let go and money so easy. Jakes now got the bank and say, alright then, me I buy 100,000 water clothes to that one day and 100,000 that water clothes to the next one. And buy 50,000 water boot for one and buy 50,000 water boot for one. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I mean, someone don't know what you think. Remember one of the time I made with Jakes chat. I made the one phone and just look at me and make me know say him not buy me the phone because him not have none. So me know Jakes not buy the phone because him don't have none. The two phone number Jakes I use is me, Rosealee by them. Up to now. Up to now. The two phone number I use is me by them. Give him up to now. Him not spend the money buy nothing. I fuck him spend fee money and buy fuck. Shut him out if you don't know blood clot man and move and go away. Move. Whenever one of people business phone on a blood clot. Spoil. Poor tap strat. Yeah. Never I go down in my detail with you. Me not sorry, so me never live. Me not sorry, so at the time I never live. Don't forget my two youth them. Yeah, because me just know. And the things that I know, they don't. The things that I know, they don't. Cause me know say him not got the responsibility when have him not got face him on a responsibility.
Alright, my people tell me what to think, make watch some more.
Because when him have money, him still behave like a bitch and need help. Him not manly enough. Don't make him trick you. Me know him. Some of you know the whole I want to talk about this today because what? The one of them on social media, go and like say, them did the man for 12 years, so them know him. I know the fucking individual. 12 years, me and them for me at 20, so you can't tell me nothing. How can you me and someone from me at 20 till me at 32 or what you will left? And you are going to compare, someone going to compare, going to say, no, nothing. No, nothing. If him was a man who all of him blood clot pitney, I would have opened my mouth. if him was a man who all out for mute them, I mean all out. Like, when I mean all out, I mean all out. Move up my mouth. Kind of like them want him. Move up my mouth. Whatever the all of the people move up my mouth. 900% of the time when you hear me, I labor him over here. Because he's supposed to do the things that he's not doing. And I want him. So you don't know, you shut your fucking mouth. You don't know shit. Give me a go back for my blood clad the clip there. I'm saying that's them. Invalid them over here. The blood clot lead. Cause me just hate them, they just don't know, I just love chat. That's why them not a credibility in the car. Them no know nothing, I love chat. Them come out there, oh. Me buy snow cone and pop time machine. I know it now blood clot you. Chat what? It's my time. Me not waste my time. Chat what's up?
Hi, Rose.
Rose,
Rose, what?
I soon come out of business.
All right.
Chat focus. So what happened to the good old girl? I want to spend the Christmas. Wow. Cola consume me. Christmas wasn't that bad, you know. Buff. We're on there. Shall we go so we can go play a best work? I'm going to ask them to play a best work at 3. Camera. I don't want to get dictate to me. Chat me want enter the ranks. I don't know my phone update, I can't get in a live goal, but chat. We want enter the ranks. Chat want enter the ranks. Chat. We want enter the ranks. Me not go steer if we don't enter the ranks. Thank you, boo. Me not go steer if we don't enter the ranks. We don't enter the ranks.
Care about not getting no boy. Right? Someone want my baby. Me never care about no girl and no boy last night because I just want to know some my Christmas did merry. Right? I'm gonna make everybody own merit too, cause them have at least the people that have little entertainment, bad so bad. I could wake up big Christmas day argue with nobody. You're crazy. But I really look sad for true. I could wake up Boxing Day for come argue with a girl. You mad? And New Year's so come? You crazy. You mad. Could never. I got my bed intoxicated last night and I woke up. I got dinner in bed. I felt so fucking good. Like, bitch. My God. Yeah, I sleep with my woman last night because remember, you know, I'm not there with no body woman, I'm not there with no married woman. Remember, Uno couldn't sleep last night. That's why I wake up torment this morning because guess what? The girl that you're dating, she's actually wife to somebody else. So I understand you're so sad. It's not my fault though. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, boo. So as morning wake up, you wake up on me. Huh? But happy belated Christmas, Kira. Anybody check for Uncover the DJ? As morning light. Oh no, wake up on me. When me last night having fun and y'all bitches wake up this morning as morning light 6 o'clock in America. Shay. I just woke up, I just take a shower. Me eat before, me go take my shower. Me eat, my baby give me dinner in breakfast in bed. Me wake up, me get up, me cool up, me go to the shower, me take a shower. Baby having a shower right now. Me fresh and me nice and me smell good. Me brush out my ear, take off my bonnet. I'm just there, I drink my wine out of me Queenie and Shake Up. We got customized. So I'm good. Why you wake up this morning crashing out? For sure you're obsessed with me. You sit down on my live last night and you screen record my live. Yesterday I open up my gift them, woman open up our gift them and we have fun. We're good. And yesterday you come and say I'm sad, I'm unhappy, I'm this, I'm that. But reality speaking, you bitches are obsessed with me. Because me not talk about none at all. We never get no matching pajama yesterday. I understand that because listen, what we ladies need to understand. You see when you're there with people, matching pajama I gonna miss you, baby. Valentine's Day I gonna miss you. No fret about it. So in life what we have to do? Find our own peoples. Birthday I gonna miss you, boo. Because guess what? The people them have to spend time with them people them. So I understand. You understand? Me used to take people too, you know. But I graduate from taking people because right now when a girl like me, when I take people, I take over. When I take girl man or take girl woman, I take the fuck over. You can't get her back or you can't get him back. I saw me leave me there. So I understand say, you don't really have the good. So you can't really take over nobody from nobody. Because if I was in your position and I slept with somebody's wife, me have to fuck that way. Take that way. You can't go back, divorce paper, everything gone in. Cause when me a fucking her, me fucking her. When me a fuck, me fucking her, man. So imagine. So I understand say you wake up with me for your mind this morning. But that is not my problem. As I say, your test that you did, it says positive. Go in your my chart, show your test. It says positive, boo. I'm fine. Your blood is not clean. Don't come by me. Anyways, have a happy Boxing Day chat. I'm about to drink my wine and get down in it. How you guys doing today? It's Friday. We all know you did your body, okay? Don't come and tell TikTok that I'm jealous of you because you have a big butt and that is why I went and did my surgery and blah blah blah. Get the fuck out your fucking head. You're so lied to the believing in your own lie. Stop it. $1,500. And $1,500 you pay as in Venezuela for their body. Why are you lying, girl? Tasha need thank you, baby. Why you lying? I'm jealous of you because you have a big butt. You just put on some weight. We have picture on our phone when you're mager and skinny. When you're just their body. And your belly have a lot of lumps. It's because you get fat now. You put on weight. Because you're taking your medications. And when somebody's sick, of course the medication make them put on weight. You get fat now, boo. Remember, we all know who you are. Remember, say all we know say you do your body long time. Long time. So who sit on the left and going to believe you that you was born with a big butt? You was a big fat girl. What? What are you talking about? Stop, come on here and stop telling people and say, oh jealous of you because Ray. Jealous of you because me. So me jealous of you when I go to body? Eh? Me jealous of you. That's why me go to body. So, let me ask you something. I never band shape good. Or somebody band. Before I go so boom bam bam. I never touch my body. I touch my belly. And my hip. So I never band shape good, boy. But you're delusional bad. See you later, boss. For you. I think all of us love this for you. Yeah. One jayden, no pussy test. We love this for you. We love it for your bad. But happy for you, say, I don't really know. Really happy for you, true. Right. We're happy for you bad to bad. Very, very happy much. But nobody takes me no California look.
See her when she walk past with the plate, cause all along she bend to the camera, she don't want to stand up straight for you see what she look like. But you know, she say she look better in the pants. Me don't know if I'm me alone see it. Me know other people must see it. Me not talk the 8 of them, cause the 8 of them I look one way I say whatever. Facts, like facts we talk. You know, she say she look better in the pants. She need to start wear some leggings. A gym one them, a thick one them, a firm one them. She need to start wear some of them there. Buy all 2 booty pop and put on first and put on your leggings. Cause I don't know where you're shame. You don't make that way there already. Look how the girl them at town where you see in a hockey, the big fat mama them. Look how people used to look up to them, the girl like them. The girl have money to blood clot we are selling a hockey that be. Look up pretty young boy them fucking up. Nobody never used to say. They used to say, you know, see fat woman them in a arcade. Them and a young boy a dance, them buy down the whole blood clot dance and the boy them full of jewel and them full of jewel and them there. Nobody now look down upon them. If we never know her on TikTok, the way how we class her and go on who so we class her. They may say, you know, the fat girl with her money, the rich fat girl or whatever. I true me I tell Tasha, I true me I tell. Alright. Me just show you an example. Not for them where you see a talk. Even them parents, Big and Rosealee.